Want a smarter way to make decisions and sidestep blind spots? A simplified version of the military decision-making process, MDMP, upgraded with ChatGPT, is your solution. This dynamic duo unravels complexity into clarity. Dive into how it works. 1. Understand the mission prompt. Break down this objective. Insert goal. Identify key tasks, challenges, and any factors, e.g., politics, market trends, resource constraints, that might impact success. Why? This uncovers implied tasks and potential roadblocks often overlooked. 2. Analyze the situation. Prompt. Analyze the current landscape for industry, situation. Identify key risks, opportunities, competitors, and external factors that might affect decision-making. Follow-up prompt. What are the potential blind spots or hidden assumptions in this analysis? Why? Helps recognize external threats, internal limitations, and overlooked assumptions. 3. Develop multiple courses of action. Prompt. Generate 3 different strategic approaches to achieve goal. For each, outline pros, cons, potential risks, and expected outcomes. Follow-up prompt. Compare these strategies and suggest which one is most viable based on cost, risk, and feasibility. Why? Encourages considering multiple pathways instead of relying on a single solution. 4. Refine through premortems and devil's advocacy. Prompt. Assume that chosen strategy failed. What are the top reasons why it went wrong? Follow-up prompt. How can we mitigate these risks or create contingency plans? Why? Promotes critical thinking and proactive risk management, reducing costly surprises. 5. Execute with precision. Prompt. Summarize the selected plan into a step-by-step actionable blueprint. Include key milestones, checkpoints, and adaptability measures. Follow-up prompt. What real-time indicators or metrics should I track to ensure the plan stays on course? Why? Ensures execution remains flexible and responsive to new developments. Not just theory, this method fuels critical military decisions. If you want a thorough step-by-step analysis with MDMP, check out the AI-powered Strategic Thinker. Try it and witness the transformation.